Nutrition in Animals. Class 7. Science. By the end of this session, you will learn about nutrition in animals, nutrition in amoeba, and nutrition in ruminants. We all know that animals get their food either from plants or other animals. Like other animals, human beings also depend on plants or other animals. Let us see how the food is taken in and how it is digested. All living organisms require food for growth, energy, and to stay healthy. Plants prepare their own food through the process of photosynthesis. However, animals are dependent on plants and other animals for their food. Food contains complex substances which cannot be utilized directly by the body and need to be broken down into simpler substances. The breakdown of complex substances of food into simpler substances is called digestion. Animal nutrition includes the nutrient requirements, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in the body. The mode of taking food varies from animal to animal. For example, bees and hummingbirds suck the nectar from flowers. Infants of humans, and many other animals, feed on mother's milk. Snakes such as python swallow their prey. Aquatic animals such as ducks, whales, and sharks filter small food particles floating in water and feed them. Human digestive system and process of digestion. We know that food is taken in through mouth, digested inside the body with the help of the digestive system. Let us see what happens to the food we eat during the process of digestion. Human digestive system consists of different parts, or compartments, which together form an alimentary canal, or the digestive tract. Now, let us see the parts of the digestive tract, one by one. The buccal cavity. It mainly consists of teeth and tongue. Teeth help in tearing, biting, and chewing food. Different types of taste buds, present on the tongue, help to find the taste of food. Salivary glands, present in the buccal cavity, secrete saliva. Saliva helps in the digestion of starch. The next part of the digestive tract, after the buccal cavity, includes food pipe, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Food pipe or esophagus. It is a tube-like structure that runs from the buccal cavity to the stomach. Food travels from mouth to stomach through the movement of the wall of the food pipe. The stomach is a J-shaped thick-walled bag. Mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices are secreted by the inner lining of the stomach. Hydrochloric acid and digestive juices helps in the process of digestion. However, mucus protects the lining of the stomach. In the stomach, digestion of protein takes place with the help of digestive juices. Small intestine. It is a coiled structure with a length of around 7.5 meters. The inner walls of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi. Singular, villus. Bile secreted by the liver, and pancreatic juice from the pancreas, is received in the small intestine. Digestion of food is carried out by the help of these juices, along with the enzymes, secreted by the wall of small intestine. Bile is secreted by liver, however stored in gallbladder. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. The pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, and changes them into simpler forms. The digested food is absorbed in small intestine with the help of villi. Maximum absorption of food takes place in small intestine. Large intestine. It is wider and shorter than small intestine and approximately 1.5 meters in length. It absorbs water and some salts from the undigested food. The remaining waste passes and remains in rectum as semi-solid feces. The fecal matter is removed through the anus. So, the process of digestion includes ingestion, means taking in food. Digestion means breakdown of complex food substances to soluble food substance. Absorption means digested food diffuses into bloodstream. Assimilation, transport and use of absorbed food by body cell. And egestion, removal of undigested food. Process of digestion in grass-eating animals. We see many grass-eating animals, such as cow, around us. Grass is rich in cellulose. The grass-eating animals follow a special process during digestion to digest cellulose. This process is known as rumination. They have rumen, a part of the stomach. Rumen stores quickly swallowed grass. In the rumen, food is partially digested. The partially digested food is cud. The cellulose is digested with the help of bacteria in the next part of the stomach, known as cecum. Later, the cud returns to the mouth in small lumps, and the animal chews it. This process is called rumination. The animals are called ruminants. Example: cattle, deer, horses, and rabbits. Process of digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled, microscopic organisms. Let us see how the process of digestion takes place in such a small organisms. Amoeba has a cell membrane, nucleus, and small bubble-like vacuoles in the cytoplasm. Amoeba forms one or many pseudopodia, or false feet for movement and capturing food. Pseudopodium is a finger-like projection formed by amoeba. Amoeba feeds on some microscopic organisms. Amoeba engulfs food with the help of pseudopodia. Then, food is trapped in food vacuole. Food is digested in food vacuole with the help of digestive juices. Gradually, the digested food is absorbed and used for growth, maintenance and multiplication. The undigested food is expelled outside by the vacuole.